Hey yo, what's up guys? Back with me, and today I have some object I wanna create. So let me show you the object. Okay, this one. I think you all know this object, right? Yeah, we call it mouse, okay? Or cursor, or whatever you call it, okay? So let's follow my steps to make it this one. Okay guys, first of all you have to click file, new, and use hybrid design. So in this design I want to use some option is not with a solid or with an extrude. I just wanna create with a foam. Okay, so let's follow me. I start with some blocks right here. I make it the dimension is 100 and 100. Okay. Yeah. Like that. So let's start to modify. I click this face. Okay, both of them like that. So I just click edit form, and I want to make it like this. Okay, like that. Hold on. Okay. Sorry. Cancel it. Repeat it. Okay, like this. Make it 65. Okay, like that. And then make it on this. Modify. Okay, just hold it right there. Okay. Okay. Hard to explain what I'm doing with a form, but maybe you can just follow your creativity to make it pull it and pull back, pull up, pull down. So this is what I'm doing. Like this. Yeah, like that. Okay. Yeah, I think it's enough. We wanna set up on bottom face. Okay. Okay. I think it's already look like the photo. Let me give us some extra touch on this part. Okay. Okay. I think that's enough. Okay, make it longer on this. Okay, like that. Enter. Okay, I think that's enough. And just finish home. Okay, we already got the shape or the form of the mouse. So let me give some little touch for this button on this top button, okay, and also this one. Okay guys, I wanna edit some or this face. Let me click this one, double click, and modify, edit form, use this one, and then I wanna just pull it to the up little bit, like this. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, I think that's enough. And this form, okay. Let's go make it the button. This one. Okay, I use offset plane like that. And the distance of the plane is okay like that. And click this orange plane like that. And just make it this one with a flying. This one, that one. Okay, just like that. Hold on, let me repeat. Okay, like this, and okay, I just edit. Okay, nice. Like that, and this is enough. Okay, so use offset plane. You have to click it, this line, and press L, and make it a sketch again with offset. And like this guys, make it a minus 2.5 like that, and enter. And so you can just use a line to connect it, this sticks like that, and also on this one. Okay, they already able to extrude, so you can choose to extrude to the inside or outside. Okay, so better we have to extrude or cut it first, make it -2, 5, restart it, and okay, and extrude again. Extrude, okay, like that. 4 over 4, 3, like think it's 4.5 is the best for this. We can just make it a fillet. Okay. How about 2 for fillet or 3? Okay. 2. Okay, just give me or give them 2 for the fillet, okay? Next, the button on the top of the face, okay? This one first. Just make it a random with a flat blank. Oh, we can use the last flame like that. Click it. Okay, and just use a spline to make it the button randomly. Okay. Okay, like that. Okay, and just make it align. Like that. Finish it, and extrude like that. 2.5. Yeah, watch the color, it's okay, and extrude again. The face. Two, 3. Okay, and the fillet. Let's make the fillet is 3, 2, 1, 1.5, 1, okay. Okay, I think the 1 is okay. Like that. Yeah. Okay, like that. You see? The last one is this one on the button. I can see the buttons, but I just want to make it my own. This set blank from the bottom. I pull it to the up like this, okay, like that, and just okay, and click the orange flame, then press L and make it the buttons. Yeah, maybe you can just use a center circle like this. This look like a very simple for the buttons. Okay. So just like that. Finish it. Okay, start it off. Okay, like that. How about we fillet? Okay, fillet this one. I like it. It is up to you guys if you want to edit your mouse or based on your creativity. It feels free, okay? I just make it my own, okay, like this. I think it's already look like some or the mouse, okay? Okay, like that. The last one I want to give appearance. So the order is I want to make it the pane you'll see, and the color is black, like that, and the bottom or the list we give them a white, okay? So make it the face to apply to and apply to the bottoms like this or the list, okay, like that. All of them is white, okay, like that, and the bottoms make it just this one is white, okay, like that, and also on the top white, okay. Okay. Close it and look at this. Okay. It is simple and easy to make this mouse, okay? So this is just for an example. You can just download this object or this file if you want. Just text me or comment, okay? Bye bye.